I'm journalist and broadcaster Madeleine Spencer, and I'm going to show you how to stop your makeup from separating using DCYPHER's custom foundation. DCYPHER uses AI technology to create a unique foundation recipe, custom mixed to fit your exact skin tone. It's your perfect skin in a bottle. So the first thing to say is that makeup separating is a real nuisance and a problem that happens a lot. And it can be solved relatively easily with right products and techniques. So there are plenty of things that contribute from skin type. For example, if you have oily skin in one region and dry skin in another, that can really exacerbate makeup separation. The formulation of the product you use is hugely important in how makeup wears over the day. And of course, the method of application is a really, really key thing. I cannot overemphasize how important choosing the right foundation is in terms of how your makeup wears over the course of the day. For example, if your skin is very oily, you definitely want to opt for a formula that is less oily and will help to counteract that and keep your skin in check. And this is where DCYPHER's customizable foundation is so brilliant. Not only does it measure your skin tone using the AI tech, that's world first by the way, through the screen, and make sure that you're getting the right colour for your skin every time. It also is customizable in terms of the formula. Whatever you opt for, you know that because of the colour match, that you're going to get this seamless, long-wearing, perfect base every time. I'm going to show you mine in action now and give you some tips on how to stop it from separating. First thing you want to do is prep your base. I have chosen this SPF that makes my skin really soft and lovely ahead of putting it on. So this is just the absolute perfect base for me, and I make sure I put this everywhere. I'd also encourage you to put on any skincare that you're going to apply a little bit before, maybe if you can even wait 5 minutes, just to let it really settle on the skin and absorb as much as possible before you apply your base. So I'm applying my foundation using the DCYPHER brush, which means that it's very easy to get a smooth base without any caking. So I'm going to start right around my nose, and this is an area where a lot of people get separation, so you want to make sure you're applying a very thin layer there. You can always go back and add more, but just thin at first and layering. Think about how you might dress in the British springtime when you're unsure of what to wear. You would put on layers and fine layers at that, and you want to do something similar with your foundation. You also want to use the brush, which is a very soft brush. It's designed to mimic sable hairs. It's vegan and cruelty free, and you can use it just to go into any of the little crevices. You want to make sure that the brush is doing the work for you and just really get it everywhere evenly. It's also important to remember that because the base is perfectly matched to your skin tone, you don't have to put it absolutely everywhere. I am, because I want this kind of smooth appearance everywhere. But if, for example, you wanted to keep your cheeks bare and just cover the central section, absolutely just do that. You can customize where you put it. Anywhere you need a little bit more, just take the brush and push a little more into that section, just to add an extra thin layer. An absolutely crucial step when you're trying to stop makeup from separating is powder. Now this is a translucent one that I like, and I'm just going to press it only where needed. So what you want to do is put it anywhere where oil breaks through, and if oil is the problem that's separating your foundation, you want to press it into those areas. You're not moving the foundation underneath, you're just pressing it in to stop that from happening. So those are my tips to stop makeup from separating while you're wearing it using DCYPHER's customizable foundation. It's all about prepping skin well, putting the foundation on in fine layers, and then setting with the powder where you need to. For more information and to try the foundation yourself, head to the DCYPHER website.